I increasingly come across false domestic violence cases, not only in India, but also in US and UK. So in India, in Sushil Kumar Sharma versus Union of India, the Honorable Supreme Court had held that what was the object of 498A was to strike off the roots of this dowry menace. However, what has happened is that it has become a form of legal terrorism by misuse of the provision, which was initially intended to be used as a shield. It has become an assassin's weapon, where not only cruelty has been inflicted upon husband by the false cases, but also on the husband's relatives. It was even held in Arnesh Kumar, where it was said that it is used to unnecessarily drag all the relatives of the husbands under the Section 498 of IPC. However, in US, I have come across cases where immigrant women, even in NRI cases, NRI couples, women are using, or there's an act called Violence Against Women Act, which is a path to gain legal permanent residence in the United States. This program allows immigrant person who is the victim of abuse to file a self-petition to remove the alleged abuser, so that the abused can gain a work permit to stay in the United States while the case is under trial in the family court. As the proceedings are going on, the lady gets a right to stay in the United States and work there, and she's not, even if she's been on a dependent visa or a spouse visa. So what happens is, in these cases, the common denominator in India and in US is false domestic violence cases. One of the reasons why I'm so dead against women abusing this section, it's not that I'm not a feminist, I'm all for women empowerment, and this is the reason I'm discussing it, is to empower the women who actually need this section, or who all actually need protection from domestic abuse. As per United Nations data of 2020, 47,000 women and girls worldwide were killed by an intimate partner. And I'm coming down to the reason why I'm saying this. As per NCRB data, in 2020, 7,000 dowry killings happened in India, and 1,700 women were led to commit suicide because of dowry-related issues. According to Violence Policy Center's annual report, Why Men Murder Women, which is based upon FBI's annual data, 72% of all murder-suicides involve an intimate partner, and 94% of the victims of these murder-suicides are females, and these intimate partners are mostly acquaintances or family members, even living partners. So what happens is, there has been a history globally of intimate partner homicides being done by a male acquaintance or a family member, and there is a history of domestic abuse. So when we have these false domestic abuse cases, the actual victims are the ones who are left suffering. The actual abusers are the ones who are let free, and they inflict more and more abuse on women. And there are umpteen cases, not only in India, in US, but other countries also, of domestic abuse and intimate partner homicide being linked. And that's why I say, whether it's false 498A, whether it's false domestic abuse cases abroad in US and UK, it should not happen. Women deserve better. Women deserve to help each other and not go ahead filing such false cases.